Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you OneUp Trader review. Is it worth it? OneUp Trader is a US-based prop firm that's been around since 2016, offering funded accounts from $25,000 up to $250,000. What makes it stand out is its single-step evaluation, hit a 6% profit target, trade for at least 7 to 15 days depending on your account, and stay within the 3.5 trailing down rule. No daily loss limit, which is a big plus. Monthly fee starts at $125 a month, and once funded, you keep 100% of your first $10,000 in profits. Then enjoy a 90/10 split in your favor. Withdrawals are fast processed weekly via bank wire or crypto, usually in 1 to 2 business days with no fees. Pros include the straightforward one-step challenge, transparent pricing, high profit splits, quick payouts, and free NinjaTrader access. On the downside, it's futures only. The trailing drawdown can limit flexibility, and repeated evaluations can add up in costs. So, is OneUp Trader worth it? If you're a future trader looking for clear rules, fast payouts, and capital without risking personal funds, absolutely yes. But if you're into forex, stocks, or want looser rules, it may not be your best fit. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.